Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Verify DLC or in-game flags and collect necessary items. Once done, head to the southern cliff waypoint and clear the surrounding mobs. This opens a safe approach. Make sure you've stacked key fragments and map shards before engaging the gate mechanic, because failing mid-sequence wastes resources. You'll save time by preloading health and mobility boosts. Then activate the entry console to begin the unlock sequence. You now move into the complex middle steps. Activate the 3 consoles in the prescribed order: north, east, then west, keeping each activation within the 90-second window. While doing that, solve the glyph puzzle by rotating symbols to mirror the center pattern. Prioritize speed because timers stack. Simultaneously manage enemy waves by using area control abilities and focusing priority targets first. Once consoles are synced, make sure to regroup at the central marker to prepare for the final trigger. You reach the end game by returning to the central altar and placing the assembled key to initiate the final trigger. Survive the 2-minute endurance phase while the altar charges, using mobility and healing cooldowns to mitigate heavy damage spikes. Once charged, the map unlocks and a cinematic or waypoint confirms success. Claim rewards promptly. If things go wrong, relog or reset the consoles, verify item counts and prerequisites, then retry the sequence to avoid a soft lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.